Hey guys, today is tech time. Today I'm going to show you how to use gold leaf and decorate your succulent on your everyday design. Coming up. Hi everyone, today is tech times. I'm super excited today. I learned something new this morning at the photo shoot and I want to show you guys how to do this. And also, I haven't do tech time for a few months already. So I'm super pumped, super excited to show you the new technique I learned. According to doing this, you have to have gold leaf, of course, and also succulent. And also the really important thing is the spray glue. Sometimes you can get it from your local wholesaler called Tech 2000 from Design Master. You can get that too. And also you can have a home hardware store, they call Super 77 from M3. So you can get that too. But usually I will get this from the local wholesaler called Tech 2000. Let's get on this. So right now we have a succulent in here and we have a glue. So usually we will take some of the small pieces of gold leaf. You don't need a lot, you just need a little bit. They go a long way. So basically I'm just peeling it off like this. So you don't need a lot, you just need a few pieces. That's probably enough for your succulent, unless you want to cover the whole thing. So this is pretty good. So you need some tools. You need one of those sponge stick like this. You can tap it into it. Then move this out and move this in. And basically you want to shake the glue before you do it. So you have your Tech 2000 or Super 77 or whatever you want to use. So basically, I just spray this with glue. Okay, so you don't need a lot, you just need a little bit. So after that, you're just using the gold leaf and just put it in here and tap into it because you don't want it touching the glue. So basically like this. I'm really excited this morning and learned this technique. I never used it before. I saw someone do it before, but it just looked difficult, but I never really have the chance to use that technique. But this is, you see, just few pieces and it's make the succulent is look amazing. Basically, you upgrade your succulent into a different look. You don't want it so even, so I try to put it, the style is like an uneven style. So I just do this in here, put some inside, put some outside. So basically you're almost done in here. It takes probably not even 2 minutes to finish this. You see, right now, you just decorate your succulent by using a little gold leaf to upgrade to a different look. So I really enjoy doing this, and I put it in one of the arrangements. You can see like something like this in here. Just upgrade the whole arrangement by using just one succulent and two little flowers. I hope you enjoy it. And see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this easy, simple technique I'm showing you today. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. See you next time. Bye.